The next element in my 5 basic quilting techniques is a flying geese. I almost feel like it could almost go silent because you could fill in the blanks on this one. Here's our 2.5-inch square. Guess what we did? We pressed it with a high heat, high steam iron to create that nice sharp crease that stays forever. Then you have your rectangle, your 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangle. Guess what we do? We put right sides together. Again, for demonstration purposes only, I pinned it just to show you that this is the side that you're going to stitch on. Again, see that nice sharp crease? You're going to stitch, how are you going to stitch? What's that word? It's a scotch. You're going to stitch a scotch on the other side of that hard seam, and then you're going to trim it 1/4 inch from your stitch line and press it open. Since we're making, see this? It's a quick angled rectangle. We've already done that one. And all we do to make it a flying geese is we do the other corner just like this, and you have a flying geese. Steps are the same. You have your 2.5 inch square, put it on the corner, stitch and press open, and there's your flying geese.